Once again, good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Good morning, a very good morning to all of you. Children, I am grade 4, your class teacher and your maths teacher, right? So my name myself is Renu Punjabi. You all know my name?
Yes,
Renu
ma'am.
Punjabi, yes. So I teach mathematics
I
and
teach mathematics.
please mute your
And
mic. Hush, yes, thank you. Kavisha, mute your mic. Thank you. So I will teach you mathematics, right? And I am your grade 4 class teacher. So when you have, if any difficulty, any problem the entire year when we go smoothly, any problems, you come to me, you can mail me, right? And you can talk to me. Now I'll start my presentation and I'll explain you about, this is today's orientation class. My screen is visible to everyone.
yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So today I will take your orientation program, which is 2021. Now, yes, the school is now a co-educational school. No day boarding school, it's a co-educational school affiliated by CBSE. Please, I tell you now, listen carefully what the pointers I will explain you, and if you need to write them, please write them. Parents are requested to listen carefully, make notes of important information, and queries or student specific query will be adhered to once the presentation is over. Once the presentation will complete, if you have any problem or if you want to ask any pointer, please ask me after the presentation gets over. I will explain the PPT in both the languages as well as English and Hindi to make you more comfortable. Next is हमारा जो objective है, our objective of the school is, we are going to discuss these pointers. We will discuss about the assessment के बारे में हम discuss करेंगे. We will discuss about how the online course will go, how you will communicate with the teachers, which are the mediums to communicate the teachers, and special mentions. Now, first topic is about the school timing. School timing, when the school will go offline, the timings will be, am I audible clearly with to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, in between I will keep on asking because I want to keep the link with you all. So the school timings is when the school will go offline. The school timing for primary school will be 9:20 to 3:20 p.m. Right? But right now it is going online, so online timings also I will tell you. Pre-primary offline timing is 9:20 a.m. to 1:20 p.m. Just a minute. Middle school timing is 7:20 a.m. to 1:20 p.m. Now we will talk about the uniform. Children are expected to dress neatly in school uniform with neat and tidy hair, school shoes and socks, boys' hair to be neatly trimmed. This all pointers which I am discussing right now is regarding offline. Girls' hair to be neatly tied, children to maintain personal hygiene, nails to be trimmed, tattoos, hair color, mehendi, and any other fancy cosmetic accessories is strictly prohibited, means not allowed. ये सब चीजें अलाउड नहीं होंगी जब स्कूल ऑफलाइन शुरू हो जाएगा. Now next pointer is about the transport. Parents, I will ask from you, when you have taken the books, you have signed one form in the tuck shop, right? आप लोगों ने एक फॉर्म साइन किया होगा टक शॉप पे.
Yes.
Yes. So they have taken the concern that whether you want to take the transport or not. If you have tick right there, the means it will follow for the entire year. Transport is optional for them, but if you have already signed, a form will be issued at the bookstore and stationery counter for you to fill the available facilities. So if you have signed there, if you have ticked there, the child need the transport, that facility will go for the entire year. बीच में चेंज नहीं होगा. बीच में चेंज तभी होगा जब हाईली कोई ऐसा केस है कि आपका कोई ट्रांसफर हुआ है, आपने हाउस चेंज किया है, in that case only. Right? Once you select your option, the same shall not be changed in the middle of the year. जो पॉइंटर मैंने अभी आपको एक्सप्लेन किया कि बीच में ट्रांसपोर्ट फैसिलिटी चेंज नहीं होगी. अगर आपने एक बार स्टार्टिंग में साइन कर दिया कि आपको ट्रांसपोर्ट फैसिलिटी चाहिए, तो देन इट विल गो द एंटायर ईयर. नेक्स्ट अबाउट द मील. Meal is the students will have 2 meals, breakfast and lunch, right? A form, इसमें भी आपने फॉर्म साइन किया होगा, whether you need it or no. Once you signed it कि आपको चाहिए meal, तो it will, the facility will go same the entire year, right? And once you select your option, the same shall not be changed in the middle of the year, में change नहीं होगा. Students are expected to bring food with high nutritional value. अगर आपने नो पे सेलेक्ट किया है, तो अगर आप घर से भेज रहे हैं बच्चे को टिफिन, तो इट इज रियली रिकमेंडेड एंड हाईली रिकमेंडेड दैट कि आप बच्चे को न्यूट्रिशनल फूड दें. नो जंक फूड्स आर अलाउड. एक्टिविटीज जो हमारे स्कूल में, को एजुकेशनल स्कूल में एक्टिविटीज होंगी, इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 पार्ट्स, करिकुलम एज वेल एज को करिकुलम. The main vision and mission of the TVI is to empower the children with age-appropriate knowledge and skills. Thus, holistical developing we are giving, means overall development we are giving to the child, related to curricular activities as well as co-curricular activities. Curricular activities are the activities. Wait a minute. So curricular activities related with the literacy, numeracy. Literacy means reading, writing with the language. Numeracy, mathematical and general awareness. ये curricular में pointers को specific note किया गया है. Co-curricular activities में we will take games and sports, art and craft, music and dance. So these are the curriculum for the middle school. For the primary school, we have already discussed. Now comes the next pointer, which is assessment. Children, please, parents and children, please take a note that the way we have done last year, we have not taken any exams. So till grade 5, we don't take any exams. We assess the child. We assess the child on the basis of 4. There are 4 terms: midterm 1, term 1, midterm 2, term 2. So midterm 1 is what? See, the formative for this is we judge the child on the basis of class interaction, activities, homework, CET. So timely the child will get judged, not the specific time period will be given to that only this month the child will be judged. No. From the beginning, the child will be judged how much he is interactive, how much activities he is doing, if he is completing his work on time or not, or CET, about the teacher will take the chapter ending test, the child is attentive, the child is submitting, the child is doing or not, and how much scoring he is doing. So overall, how much he is understanding. Now, this online classes, how the online classes will go, we are waiting. As of now, we shall now have online classes till further notice from the government. Till here, it is clear to everyone. Any doubt? Any doubt on any slide? Parents, any doubt on any slide?
No,
So
ma'am.
No. Can I proceed?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can
Okay.
proceed.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So online session for the nursery timings are 10:15 to 12. Online classes for LKG, UKG are 9:30 a.m. to 12 noon. So I'll tell you about the grade 2 to 5. Yes, online classes for grade 2 to 5 is 9:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. It is written 12:50. It's approximately आप 1 p.m. लेके चलिए, मोटा मोटा 9:30 से 1 p.m. तक. Now this is the timetable. 8 to 8:40. 40 minutes class. It's a Western music. It is optional, but it is highly recommended if the child attend the classes. 9:30 a.m. to 10:05, 35 minutes period 1. 10:15 to 10:50, 35 minutes period 2. 11 to 11:35, 35 minutes period 3. 11:45 to 12:20, 35 minutes period 4. Right? And every day there will be a reading slot, 12:20 to 12:40, 20 minutes reading slot. Teachers will give you timings, right? But I will tell you here, today and tomorrow there is no reading slot. So the after 12:20 there is a HRM period. HRM means the homeroom period. Homeroom period means the class teacher will be there, teacher will talk, class teacher will have a good interaction with the students, positive interaction with the students, and the children can also share. Teacher will see that if the child is facing any difficulty, teacher will teach them the moral values. For all these pointers, we have make a homeroom period. Are you all clear with the what is homeroom period now? There is a class teacher interaction and the student interaction. The teacher will talk with them, teacher will timely interact with them. Any difficulty the child is facing in any of the subject, if the child is not attending the classes, why the child is not attending the classes, all these pointers the teacher will discuss with the students. And it's basically like a circle period, like, okay. So I will tell you again that today and tomorrow there is no reading slot. So from 12:20 to 12:30 there is a HRM period, and the class today and tomorrow gets over at 12:30. If you are clear with this point, please show me thumbs up. Yes, the class teacher will come in your class at 12:20 and she will interact with you by the time till 12:30, and the class today and tomorrow get over at 12:30. Your reading slots will start from Monday, and even your Western music also start from Monday. Okay, and the Western music timing is from 8 o'clock to 8:40.
Ma'am, today all the other classes are there?
Yes.
Okay.
After my orientation class, or the timetable will go as it is given in your...
As per the schedule, okay.
Yes. And then 12:40 to 12:50, 10 minutes homeroom period. And homeroom period, I have already explained you what is homeroom period. And 4 o'clock to 4:40, that is physical activities. The pointers which are here in yellow, please read them carefully. Break 10 minutes between every slot. No break between P4 reading slot and HRM, because वो एक खत्म होगा दूसरा शुरू हो जाएगा. बट एवरी पीरियड के बीच में 10 मिनट्स का ब्रेक है, पर उस ब्रेक में बच्चे को क्लास से बाहर नहीं निकलना है, क्लास में ही रहना है. टीचर दूसरी आएगी एंड शी विल कंटिन्यू. राइट? Till here it's clear to everyone. You are not allowed to go out of the class. ये 10 मिनट बाहर निकलने के लिए नहीं है. You can drink water, go to washroom, come back, but don't leave the class. Stay in class only. The teachers will come. Yes, which child wants to speak? Arnav. Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, you said Western music class, you said 8 o'clock evening to morning.
No, 8 o'clock, it's in the morning only. 8 o'clock to 8:40 morning only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Just a minute. Okay. First, and as you have already got your timetable, right? So you have noticed there are the classes on Saturday also, right? So, but not all Saturdays. Look here, which the Saturdays are working. First and third Saturday are holidays. Second and fourth are working. Am I clear with the Saturdays, parent and children? Yes. Second and fourth are working. Yes, just a minute. Give me 1 minute. Second Saturday and fourth Saturday is working. First and third Saturday is not working. Even if the fifth Saturday is coming, that also not working. किसी मंथ में 5th सैटरडे भी आ जाएगा, वो भी वर्किंग नहीं है. Only 2nd and 4th Saturday is working. Yes, tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. Music class is mandatory to join.
Western music, it's optional, but I will highly recommend if the child will join.
Okay.
It will be great, good for the child also that he will join.
Oh,
It's
okay, ma'am.
optional here, right?
Okay.
Next is grade 4 English and Hindi reading slots will happen. So English class will happen in English class and Hindi class will happen in activity class. For grade 5, we shall have Gujarati class. After some time, parents will be informed about it. Now come the standard operating procedure. Means whenever you want to contact with the teachers, this is about how the children will go about school email address. See, if the child will face, sometimes maybe the last year they are not able to log in into the Google form, they are not able to log in the some of the classes. Meantime, बीच में कभी ऐसे हो जाता था. Why this is the reason happening? Because the child is not log in with their own school email ID. जब आप स्कूल ईमेल आईडी से TVIS से लॉगिन नहीं करोगे तो ये डिफिकल्टी आएगी. हमेशा ध्यान रखना कि आपको लॉगिन भी TVIS से करना है, राइट? Only the ID will, TVIS ID only will work. And join the class on time. Session wise attendance will be taken, right? All the subject teachers will come, they will take your attendance. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपने मैथ्स की कर दी, साइंस की नहीं करी, BS की नहीं करी. You should be present in all the classes. All the subject teacher will come, they will take your attendance, and your presence should be there in all the attendance. Connectivity and ventilation, ये आप check करके क्लास में बैठोगे कि connectivity कैसी है, आपका ventilation room है कि नहीं, because continue 3 to 4 hours आपको क्लास में बैठना है. Comfortable chair and table पे आप बैठोगे, right? कैमरा ऑलवेज ऑन होना चाहिए. माइक्रोफोन ऑफ उसी केस में होगा जब आपका इंटरैक्शन टीचर के साथ चल रहा है या टीचर आपसे कुछ पूछ रही है. एम आई क्लियर टिल हियर चिल्ड्रन? यस. नाउ आई विल wait, this slide I will show you at the last. This is about how to turn the assignments. कई बार बच्चों को डिफिकल्टी होती है, तो देयर इज वन वीडियो व्हिच वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड हाउ टू टर्न इन द असाइनमेंट. आई विल शो यू द लास्ट वंस आई क्लियर विद ऑल दिस पॉइंटर्स. स्कूल डायरी आपको मिलेगी, तो आपका कम्युनिकेशन जो पॉइंट होगा जब ऑफलाइन क्लासेस होगी तो फर्स्ट आपका कम्युनिकेशन पॉइंट होना चाहिए स्कूल डायरी में. आप बच्चे को लिख के भेजें, दिस द प्रॉब्लम माय चाइल्ड इज फेसिंग, आइदर विद मेडिकल इश्यूज, आइदर एनीथिंग. So first communication point is school diary, then a email to the class teacher, then आपको कोई problem है तो आप टेलीफोन पे interact करें. This is the school number which you can note down. It's 02621 353535. Next है आपको ERP पे, last है ERP पे आप communicate कर सकते हैं. Next is about the medical issue. If the child is facing any medical problem, the first you have to approach to the class teacher. आप class teacher से approach करिए through the by email or through this is all about the offline classes, right? When the classes will go offline, तो आपको बच्चों को कोई problem है, medical issue है या कोई भी दिक्कत है, whatever the pointers you want to discuss with the teacher, your first thing is you need to talk with your class teacher. सबसे पहले आपको क्लास टीचर से ही बात करनी है. Am I clear till here? Yes. Now I will show you how to turn in the assignments. अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो आप अपने असाइनमेंट्स कैसे टर्न इन कर सकते हैं. I'll tell you, I will really suggest you to please put the microphones or the earphones to listen this video.
Here we are going to see how you are going to turn in your assigned work in the classroom.
Is this audible to everyone? Please, parents, tell me, is this audible to everyone?
No ma'am, the voice is very low, I can't hear.
Okay, I'll mute my voice.
Okay. Me ma'am.
Yes,
Hello?
Kavish. Yeah, Kavish's parents tell me. Yeah.
आपको पेंसिल यूज करनी है या पेन यूज करना है सर?
Pen.
पेन ही कंपल्सरी?
हाँ, पेन ही बुक्स में जैसे जैसे क्लासेस लेंगे बच्चों को बताते जाएंगे. बुक्स में दे आर अलाउड टू यूज पेंसिल. या फॉर नोटबुक्स पेन.
नोटबुक में पेन. ओके.
Yeah. I will suggest you to use the fountain pen, and if the child is facing any difficulty using the fountain pen, can use the gel pen also. And neat handwriting, which I will discuss with the class, the all subject teachers will discuss with them in the classes. Okay, and it depends to subject teacher what they are telling. They will suggest the child and they will tell the child in the classes also.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we have to use which type of pen?
Fountain pen. Okay.
Ma'am, we write pen in notebook.
Yes, and we will write in textbook with the pencil. And my dear children, it depends on the subject to subject. The teacher will tell you how to go about this in the subject. Okay. Okay, I'll mute myself.
So first thing you're going to do is you're going to sign in from your school email address. Only the school email address is going to access the classroom. Otherwise, you won't be able to access any of the classroom. These all are the apps which are used by your email address, your Google account. So first thing I'm going to do is I want to open my classroom. Over there I was not able to see my Google Classroom. I've opened my mail. Now again this waffle you can see over here. These are Google apps. We will be going in the classroom. After going to the classroom, you will be able to see different classrooms on your screen. I'll be opening my assigned work. As you can see over here, it is new assignment is posted over here. You can see there is one stream over here, there is one classroom as well, and over here you can see there's a due date mentioned. That's Thursday. So I have I think I have 2 days to do that. I'll be going over here on the classroom. Now this is my assigned work. As you can see, it is assigned. View assignment. I'll just check it out. Then when you are joining for the very first time, some instructions will be popping up. Like over here you can see private comment, that is between your teacher and you. You can talk to your teacher. I've got this. Whatever personal query you have, you can talk to the teacher over here. Now you can see add or create or mark as done. You cannot do mark as done unless you are not adding anything. So to add or create anything, first you need to click the picture of your child's work. Take a picture from the mobile, and you can do it easily from the mobile. Or this is Google Doc. So what we are going to do over here is you'll be opening the sheet. After opening the sheet, as you can see, the work is given over here. Complete your work. If you can write over here, you can just write and finish your work. And then you can just turn in. And when you're doing add or create, you will be asking maybe the link, the file, or maybe from the Google Drive account. So you can select anything. For example, if I want anything from my drive, I'll be going on my drive. You can see there's a recent, then we will be having upload. What is upload? You can just browse, then you can just get your personal copy, whichever thing you have clicked the picture for. You can select one, You will be opening it. The file is loading. You need to wait for some time, don't hurry. And then you can see turn in option over here. So when you are ready to submit all of your files for this assignment, you should turn in. So you will be turning in. When you are turning in, it will show something like this. That means the work is submitted. As you can see here, they say unsubmit. So if you are doing that, the work will come back to you and teacher will not receive your work. This is what turn in is all about. Unless you are not turning in, you will not be getting to know, the teacher will not be get to know what work you have done and what not. This is the way how you can submit the work and assign. And this is all of your email address, tvis.edu.in. Please make sure only this email address is enabled in your account, in your handset or anywhere else, otherwise you won't be able to log in. Thank you so much. If you have any query, you can just call the subject, talk to the subject teacher or the concerned person. Thank you so much. One.
Thank you, parents. That's all about the orientation. If any doubts, any problem, any difficulty, please ask. And you will not leave this, children will not leave the class. They have the continuous classes as per the schedule, as per the timetable. You will not leave the class. Please stay in your class. The teachers will come according to their timetable. Yes, yes, parents, please ask. If any doubt, any problem.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, ma'am. We have to sit here only in this class. The teachers will.
Charging mat
Yes,
क्यों फोन कर
the
दो?
teachers will come.
Why
Only activities class, they need to go to the activities class. Like Western music, they will go to the Western music. I think that every time
will come here only.
all subject teacher will come here only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt, any difficulty, any pointer you need to ask, please ask.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. One by one.
Ma'am, if we don't.
કોને શું પૂછવું છે તારે?
First question. Mute yourself,
આવ્યો
please.
તો પણ તારું કામ પડતું કરી આપણે બીજા કામ કરવાનું છે.
Mute yourself, please. Raise your hand if there is any query. Raise your hand. I'll come one by
Excuse me,
one.
ma'am. If we don't.
Yes. If we don't, what question? Yes, tell me now.
Ma'am, if we don't have fountain pens, so which pen we should use?
You can use gel pen also. Okay. All the
Okay,
subject
ma'am.
teachers will talk about the pen or pencil in their respective classes. Yes, Dheer. Jania and Dheer has raised their hands, so they want to discuss something.
Ma'am,
Yes, Jania.
we have to not leave in the break also, the class.
You have to not what?
Leave the class.
No. You don't have to leave the class. The 10:15, the teacher will come here in the same classroom, right? What is your next timing? 10:15, right?
10:15, ma'am.
Yeah, you can switch off your camera and mic and you can go for water and washroom. But before that 10:15, again you come on the same. You will not leave the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Meer Virani.
मैम जो आपका टर्निंग असाइनमेंट का जो वीडियो था आप मेल कर सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ जी मैम, मेल कर दूंगी. और वही सिस्टम है जिससे अभी तक बच्चों ने किया है.
क्योंकि अभी तक उसने मोबाइल में अपलोड किया था, तो मैं जो देखा वो मुझे थोड़ा डाउट था, इसलिए मैं वीडियो एक बार दूसरी बार देख लूंगी.
नो प्रॉब्लम. मैं क्लासरूम में वीडियो डाल दूंगी फॉर योर एवरीवन's रेफरेंस. और वही मेथड है जिससे अभी तक बच्चे करते आए हैं टर्न इन।
ओके, अभी तक तो मोबाइल में ही अपलोड किया था
वही वही आप मोबाइल से भी करा सकते हैं।
ओके, तो नो डाउट है।
हाँ, कोई डाउट। म्यूट योर माइक प्लीज। Yes, yes, please raise your virtual hand. If you raise your like this hand, raise your Prayag. Yes, tell me, Prayag Trivedi.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, hello.
Ma'am, they have to log in only on this account.
Only TVIS account. P dot.
For online classes.
जैसे हमेशा करते आए हैं बच्चे, अपने ही TVIS के अकाउंट से ओनली। अगर किसी और का मेल आईडी खुल रहा होगा तो वो बच्चा नहीं एंटर हो पाएगा।
Okay, and how they will get the homeworks and assignments?
Same on the classroom.
They have to do previously. Same they have to do.
Same way.
Same way.
Teachers will post in the classroom. The children will turn in, or the teacher will instruct them. Teacher want in the notebook, तो टीचर सब इंस्ट्रक्शन देगी कि नोटबुक में चाहिए मुझे, कि वर्कशीट में ही आप एडिटिंग करके, कई बच्चे वर्कशीट गूगल डॉक में एडिटिंग करके ही भेज देते थे पहले, राइट? सो इट डिपेंड ऑन द सब्जेक्ट टू सब्जेक्ट, टीचर टू टीचर, टीचर विल एक्सप्लेन यू एवरीथिंग इन द सब्जेक्ट्स।
Okay, then we get the subjects also ना in the online this classes. जैसे हिंदी में हमें मिला था कि हिंदी में जाकर करना,
सारी क्लासेस आपको यहीं करनी है,
और होमवर्क भी यहाँ असाइनमेंट भी यहीं पे
आएगा। 4A में ही सब कुछ आएगा, 4A में ही सब्जेक्ट टीचर्स आएंगे, 4A में ही सारे सब्जेक्ट्स का वर्क आएगा, सब कुछ आपको सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड 4A में ही मिलेगा। और एक्टिविटीज अगर हैं तो आपको शायद 4 क्लासरूम का एक्सेस मिला होगा, फॉर एक्टिविटी, फॉर वेस्टर्न म्यूजिक, फॉर दी 4A, और एक और कुछ मिला होगा, राइट, डांस एंड। तो वो जो आपको 4 एक्सेस है वो एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज के लिए है। बाकी जो सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड है वो सारी टीचिंग यही होगी 4A में। पहले बच्चे हिंदी के लिए हिंदी में जाते थे, मैथ्स के लिए मैथ्स में जाते थे, अभी वैसा नहीं है। यही एक क्लासरूम है, क्लासरूम में बच्चों को बैठे रहना है, टीचर सब्जेक्ट वाइज अपने क्लास में आएगी और पढ़ाएगी।
ओके,
बच्चों को क्लास लीव नहीं करना है। 10 मिनट का ब्रेक जरूर है, पर ब्रेक में ऑफ करके, कैमरा ऑफ करके, माइक ऑफ करके बच्चे दे कैन ड्रिंक वाटर, दे कैन गो टू वॉशरूम, थोड़ा उठ सकते हैं अपनी सीट से, एंड अगेन दे कम बैक ऑन 10-15 फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्लास। क्लास लीव नहीं करनी है बच्चों को, क्लास कंटिन्यू चालू रहेगी, राइट? अभी मैं लीव कर जाऊंगी लेकिन बच्चों को नहीं जाना है, द सब्जेक्ट टीचर विल कम।
ओके,
ओके,
thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you for today's class. Thank you, parents. Thank you, children. I end my class here. Thank you. Yes, who has doubt?
Ma'am.
Thank you, children. If you on your mic together like this, it will create a difficulty. Please. If you on your mic together like this,